Okay, today we're going to do subtracting numbers in base 4, and you are using 4 symbols in base 4, which are 0, 1, 2, and 3. So let's just get started. So the place values in exponential form will be 4 raised to the power of 0, to the power of 1, to the power of 2, and to the power of 3. So in a way, in here everything is in ones, everything here is in fours, and here is 16s, and of course 4 raised to the power of 3 is 64. So why is it 64? It's because 4 times 4, so 4 raised to the power of 3 is essentially 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. And that the same goes true with that one. So that's a quick explanation. So let's have this question. We have 3, 1, 0 less 1, 3, 2. So in a way, you do 0 less 1. You cannot do it. You borrow 1 from here. That 1 that you borrowed is worth 4. So 4, yeah, so you borrow 1, this becomes a 0. So that 4 becomes here, belongs to the next column, and 4 plus 0 is 4. So now you could do the operation. 4 less 2 is 2. Now we do this again. 0 less 3, you cannot do it, so you borrow 1 from here. That becomes 2. Now the one that you borrowed is worth 4 groups of this one. So you add to the 0, you'll have 4 in here. So 4 less 3 is 1. 2 less 1 is 1, and so that's your answer. It's 1, 1, 2 in base 4 counting system. Now, these are all base 4. Now, I hope that's clear. Now let's have a different example. So let's have this time. So I'm just immediately I'm not going to write this anymore. We've done this several times. I'm just going to write the question in here. So let's say we have 2, 2, 0, 1, 1 in base 4 less 3, 2, 2. That's also in base 4. So 1 less 2, we cannot do it. So we borrow 1 in here, and that becomes a 0. And then so the amount that we borrowed is 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 less 2 is 3. Now 0 less 2, we cannot do it. So we borrow from here, which we cannot do. So this one is to borrow from here. Now this one becomes 1. Now this one is now has 4 in it because it borrowed from here, from this column. So now, before we'll do anything, now this one can lend into the next column. So now this 0 here borrows from here. This becomes 3, and this one becomes 4. So 4 less 2 is 2. 3 less 3 is 0, and then you bring down that one here. So that's your answer. So that's a little bit complicated one, but we've been doing this for a while, so I think you are ready for this kind of subtraction. So homework would be 201 in base 4 less 3 2 in base 4. Now the other one would be 3002 in base 4 less 1 2 3 in base 4. Let me know on your answers in the comment section below. See you in the next episode.